Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Acer Aspire Lite AL14-32P or 39ZH, a sleek, lightweight 14-inch laptop that packs solid performance for everyday use. Is this your next go-to machine? Let's find out. This Aspire Lite comes in a clean silver finish with a 1.17 kilo lightweight design, making it super portable, perfect for students, professionals, or anyone on the go. The build feels sturdy yet stylish, and that slim profile gives it a premium vibe. Under the hood is the Intel Core 3 N355 processor paired with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD. That combo delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming, document editing, and light multitasking. It won't break any benchmarks for hardcore gaming or heavy editing, but it handles daily use with ease. The 45.6 Wh battery keeps you going for a full work or school session, and this model runs Windows 11 Home out of the box, giving you the latest interface and features from Microsoft. The 14-inch Wuxka IPS display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors. You also get Acer Comfy View and 300 nits brightness, which means it's easy to see even in bright environments. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you extra vertical space for productivity, great for browsing, Excel work, or watching movies. Connectivity and ports. You're covered with modern connectivity. Wi-Fi 6, USB 3.2, 2 USB-C ports, which even handle DC-in, HDMI, micro SD reader, and a headset jack. Plenty for peripherals, external displays, storage, and more. Audio comes through dual stereo speakers, and the dual digital mics make video calls clear. So, who is this laptop for? If you want a lightweight, everyday performer with a great display, solid storage, modern ports, and reliable battery life, the Acer Aspire Lite AL14-32P or 39ZH is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews just like this.